Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 17th of June 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can get the video updates from my side. Okay guys, I was not uploading the videos because I was traveling and I'm just back to my hometown, and now we are going to start today's discussion from EURUSD and EURUSD with a bullish expectation from 11 to 189. I'm going to take you towards the EURUSD chart. So guys, I have provided the entry from 11 to 189, and the market has went up to, let me draw the line here, 112472. So guys, overall EURUSD in a bullish zone. If it continues the bullish activity, then it can go up to 112721. So now the question arises that why we have seen the slow momentum in the market. So that's a very simple answer, that today it's Monday, and normally the Monday is always slow. Mostly you can say 90% of Mondays are slow, so we cannot expect a good momentum in the market. Okay, at next, the second signal with a very less volatility on New Zealand USD, a bearish trend is subscribed to the subscribers from 065045 and 064727 is the target price. And guys, you can see the level is already break, and New Zealand USD is on the way towards the downward momentum. This is the signal that is based on full day trading. So guys, if it continues the bearish activity like this, then it can go up to 064727. Okay, now let's discuss pound USD. Pound USD with a bearish expectation. Let me put the take you towards the chart. Okay, Great Britain pound USD with a bearish expectation from 125788. And guys, you can see the entry is already broke, and if we go to the higher time frames, then you can see that pound is getting the rejection from the top red boundaries as per the trading system. And till now, the candle that is in formation, you can see that that's clearly bearish. We do not have any bullish signs at the moment. So overall, I'm bearish on Great Britain pound USD. If it continues the downward momentum, then it can go up to 124866. Okay, USD Canadian dollar. Okay, now let's talk about this, because this is little bit tricky. It's just fighting on the entry with a bearish expectation from 134013. Okay guys, it's just leaning on the entry from many hours, because I have already mentioned that today it is Monday and we do not expect a lot of volatility in the market. So that's the pure example of the Monday's volatility. So it's just leaning on the level. So just guys, just keep this level in your mind, that if it goes below 134013, then USD Canadian dollar is completely into the bearish zone, and then we can expect the target price 133482. Okay, now let's discuss pound JPY. So guys, if you look at pound JPY is going down, and we have supplied the bearish signal from 136601 and 135440 is the target price. And guys, this is also full day trading signal. Look, the pound, Great Britain pound JPY has breaks our entry. We have also received a sell signal from the scalper, and pound JPY is going down. Even if you look at the 4 hour, then it's getting and pumping down. Going to the daily chart, then the candle that is made till now is bearish. We do not have any bullish signs on pound JPY till now, so that's why we are bearish on Great Britain pound JPY. Okay, now let's talk about EURJPY. Okay guys, I was expecting a little recovery on EURJPY, like we have done a little recovery on EURUSD. 121861 was the bullish expectation, and 122491 is the target price. However, the target price is not met. However, the price has gone up to 122136, so that was the difference, we can say. But overall, if you look at the range, then the market is just going nowhere. So if you have done scalping, because on Mondays mostly people do scalping, there is nothing in the market to catch long trades. So overall, if you have done scalping, then you must have traded in a very good manner. At last, I'm going to talk about the USDJPY with a bearish expectation from 74606 and 73636 is the target price. And guys, you can clearly see that the level is already break, and AUDJPY is going down. This is the signal that is based on the full day trading. If you look at the daily candle, then the daily candle is also predicting us a downward sign. So that is why we are bearish on AUDJPY. Okay guys, now let's talk about the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. Let me explain. You can see that there is a trading system attached on my chart. So how to get this one and how to use this one. If you want to get this trading system, then you will send me the inquiry, and I'm just going to tell about the usage. Whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary and if it is getting the rejection, then you can sell the pair. And whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and if it starts gaining the momentum, then you can buy the pair. And moreover, if the scalper gives you, if you deeply look at here, then we have a white signal from the scalper in the form of white arrow. That was a buy signal, and the buy signal comes at the oversold levels. That was a perfect time to enter into the trade, and look, Euro USD has moved up. Okay, so guys, we will ignore white signals at the top red boundary because it's the already the overbought level. So we will ignore the white arrows here, and we will trust the red ones here. Okay, now if you look that at the overbought levels, we have received the sell signal from the scalper in the form of red arrow, and then the market has gone down, and this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.